Hey everyone, back with another pack opening video. In this video we're going to be taking a look at 3 Mega Man Rise of the Masters UFS cards, booster packs. So let's get started and see what we get. Okay, starting off here we got Charismatic Ruler, Rivalry with Turbo Man, Ring Slam, Hatred of Autumn, Magnet Slam, Skull Slam, Mega Slide, Crawling Strike, Ring Toss Champion, and the last card here is Wisdom of Castor. Right, moving on to the next pack here. We have Rivalry with Turbo Man, Metal Slam, Hatred of Autumn, Balanced Fighter, Pharaoh Slam, Design Flaws, Crash Bomber, Always on the Move, we have Skullman, and last card here is Skull Barrier. Pretty nice looking card there. And the last pack here, starts off here with Balanced Fighter, Pharaoh Slam, Design Flaws, Pharaoh Slam again in the same pack, which is kind of odd, Electromagnetic, Rivalry with Turbo Man, Improved Design, Quick Charge, Gemini Man, and the last one here is Fortress of Bones. So anyways, thanks for watching that pack opening. If you enjoyed, maybe I'll do some more. Thanks.